Hello and welcome back to some more Chainsaw Man. Today we're getting into it, episode 3 and 4. I think just from the look of this, it looks like we're taking this is taking place literally right after the second episode. So yeah, let's just get into it. Oh yep, got blood and shit everywhere.
Going after a civilian devil hunter.
Why does it keep changing it to dub? Why does it keep making me watch the dub? No. Okay, so yeah, that was her blood last episode. She was just using her own blood. I really hope that they turn into a great team. At least by like maybe the halfway point of the show. If it takes all the way to the end, that's gonna suck. But I want to see them working together at least halfway through the show. Dude, that's his entire motivation. Is it gonna be like that the entire show? Because that's kind of great. It's a deal you can't refuse. Now he's going off. Now he's going off. Okay. Dude, I love that. All you have to do is say, hey, you can touch my boobs, and that's it. And then he's like, oh, I'm all in. I'm in, bro. That's it. No. You don't get it. He is literally living inside his chest. He's not just living on in his heart in a metaphorical sense. I think that's what she was thinking. Maybe not. Maybe I'm the dumb one. Yeah, okay, so if you're, okay, that's, honestly, that's a pretty good way to think about it. Like, the more you fear what that thing is, the stronger it's gonna be. I like that. I really like that. I like that way of thinking about, like, this universe, I guess. It is very interesting. And yeah, Denji's a chainsaw devil, so, you know, like she said, you can easily imagine being hit by a car, and you can easily imagine being killed by a chainsaw, so it's, you know, he'd be very strong. She's leading him into a trap, ain't she? Oh, they're just fighting. Damn, bro. I'll be honest, I did think it was a little weird that she was saying all that shit about a cat. At first I was like, okay, maybe she really does care about her cat, but the more you think about it, it's like, that seems weird, you know? Oh, that is creepy. I don't like it. Turn into a chainsaw, buddy. Oh. Okay, yeah. I was gonna say, cause he's technically not like fully a human. Oh, it still worked. It still worked, it just tasted like shit, I guess. Come on, buddy. Turn into a chainsaw. Do it. Bro, I just want to see him turn into a chainsaw again. That's all I want. Oh. Wait, was she actually going for her cat? Oh. Oh.
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
Damn, bro. So she was actually going for a cat. That's interesting.
うぬの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
Oh, dude, is she? Are we gonna see her fight now? Is she gonna go off? Oh, oh, she just. Wait, wait, what? I did not expect that. I'm gonna be honest. I did not expect her to just get eaten like that. Okay.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われてどんな気持ちで眠ってたんだろう。
Oh, there it is. Oh, yes. You're screwed now, buddy. Oh, and then we just hard cut to this. Okay. Yeah, sure. Sure, cut me away from what I was waiting for all episode. Okay, alright. Alright, I think we're back. Oh, he turned the chainsaws. Oh, he turned them off. Nice. That's cool. That's actually sick. Okay, I thought that they would be out like the whole time. Yeah, he just caught it so he could throw it back at you. He doesn't give a shit about the person. What the hell? What is... God damn, what was that? Look at his face! Look at his stupid face! Oh. What? What? How was that the end of the episode? How was that the end? Oh, come on, man. You can't just leave it like that. I mean, I guess you can. He killed it. I guess that was it. God damn. Okay. It's always great seeing him go chainsaw man mode. I love it. It's great. But yeah, let's get on to episode 4.
騙してすまんかった。ニャーコは助かったからな。胸は揉ませてやるわ。
よっし
What? The hell just happened? His arm just came off. What? Wait, is it still alive? Oh no, that's a different thing. Okay, that's a very different thing. Oh, I don't think he can do it more than once. Yeah, he's got to restock. Damn, bro, that sucks. I wonder if he drinks human blood, because he was drinking the bat's blood earlier, and I don't know, it didn't seem like it was doing anything. But if he drinks human blood, will he heal? Since he's part devil? I wonder if it works the same way for him. Oh, nice. Okay, he did it with that little bit in his head. Okay, cool, cool. I'm glad that still works. Bro, this guy is insane, dude. He's fucking crazy. Come on, boy. Nice. Get it in there. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's not good. Bro, imagine getting stabbed by a tongue. That's crazy. Oh, there he is, the boy. What? What? That's awesome. Oh, I love that. He's like shit, I forget his name. He's like the guy in Jujutsu Kaisen with the dogs. That's the first thing I thought of when I saw that, at least. Oh, they found his arm. Nice. I thought he would just grew a new one.
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。チェーンソーが頭に刺さる。
Yeah, that one was not good. That one was probably not the best one. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Of course. Did they really send her to live with them? Oh no. Oh no.
心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって
You really gonna believe her? You really think she's actually gonna like follow that?
野菜は嫌いじゃはい
人参野菜を投げるなてめえ野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのか
Show some respect.
おいウヌ
あおいクソ悪魔てめえのクソこびり
Shit
ついてこれね
devil.
約束だったじゃろ胸を揉ませてやるから揉め
Oh damn, she closing the door too.
ウヌの頑張りに報いての三揉みありがたく揉むんじゃな
Denji.
Oh, this is different. This is different. That was weird. Okay. All right. Well, hey, Denji got what he wanted. He finally got it. My man's set out to do a task and he completed it with dignity and grace. You know, I'm happy for him. I'm glad he finally got to do it, you know. I am, you know, Denji, I'm speaking directly to you right now. I'm happy for you, my guy. Good for you, man. But yeah, I mean, that is gonna go ahead and do it for episodes 3 and 4. If you guys enjoyed and want to see some more, let me know by dropping a like and smashing that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.